Okay, right, so I'm going to see how far up that hill I can get. Mode 3, 2-wheel drive, turbo, helmet's on and tight, camera's recording. Right, here we go. 61.2 volts, mode 3, 2-wheel drive. See you in a sec, love. Scrabbling up this hill. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. To the left. Around to the right. Go on, go on, go on. Go on, go on, go on. Whoa, got it. Let's carry on up. Oh, it's steep this fucker is. Oh, go on. Tickle the throttle. Brilliant, yeah, it'll just carry on. Up and up and up. Marvellous. I don't think I'll go over the jumps. Brilliant. That was with about 20 stone on. Probably more. Oh, God, this bit's steep. Ooh. No one coming down. Nope. Ooh, these pebbles, this is what starts you off bad. Right, back out that way and back down to the car. Actually, I think first